Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Tohit. Have you ever stopped to think about how much the world has changed? We are living in perhaps the most amazing time in human history, and at the heart of it all, it's artificial intelligence. Yes, AI. It's doing great things for us, making things better, faster, more efficient in every part of our lives. From making your social media feed more personal to helping with big medical discoveries, AI has smoothly become a part of our daily lives, and it's only just begun. The AI market is expected to grow very big to over $826 billion by 2030, with big companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon battling it out to lead the charge. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but what about the jobs? It's really a worry. Machines doing work will affect certain jobs, but history teaches us a strong lesson. New technology always creates new chances, new businesses we barely can imagine today. The main thing, learning, getting new skills and being flexible. 84% of people working internationally already feel supported in learning AI skills, showing a clear way forward. We are not losing jobs. We are looking at a future where humans and machines work together for a never before seen innovation. But let's be honest, there is another side for the story that needs the world attention: AI's impact on the environment. The huge data centers that power AI are growing very fast, using a lot of water, a resource that becoming less available. They depend on important minerals and rare elements, often taken out by the ground in harmful ways, and use of electricity adding to the planet warming gases. Think about this. Simply writing a 100-word email with ChatGPT can use over half a liter of water. Multiply that by billion of users worldwide. You can see the pressure on our planet's already strained resources. We are still finding out the full impact of AI on the environment, but the information we have is worrying. This is a conversation we absolutely must have. But the new ideas don't stop. At a big event, Google I/O 2025, it launched Flow, a new AI video tool for filmmaking. This tool uses three of Google's smart AI models, Veo, Imagine, Gemini, to help you create videos. You can bring in your own characters and scenes or make them right there in the tool. It also lets you control the camera, build scenes, and manage your creations. Plus, Google is starting Flow TV. It's a special place to see cool videos and even the exact instruction people use to make them, so you can learn from others. Just this week, Google also launched its AI mode for search, a total reimagining, as CEO Sundar Pichal said. Imagine asking your search engine anything, getting full AI powered answers, and then looking deeper with follow up questions and helpful web links. And get this, AI mode lets virtually try on clothes, upload a photo, and see how billions of clothing items look on you. It's a big change for online shopping. So, what's exactly is artificial intelligence? Basically, AI is about machine copying human intelligence, thinking, learning, acting in a way that usually needs us. It's a very big field, including computer science, data analysis, even philosophy and psychology. At its heart, AI learns from huge amounts of data, finding patterns and using those patterns to make decisions and guesses. From gathering data to preparing it, to training smarter programs and finally using these intelligent systems, it's a continuous cycle of learning and improvement. We stand at a very important moment. AI offers amazing potential for progress, but it also needs our responsible care. The future is unwritten, but one thing is clear: we are actively making it, and AI will surely be our most powerful tool and our greatest challenge yet. Now that we have heard about AI, the smart technology that powers our phones, recommends movies, even write emails, but imagine something much bigger, something that could completely change every single part of human life and work. We are talking about artificial general intelligence, or AGI. So what's the difference? Today's AI, like those programs that summarize you might use, are very good, but they are limited to one area. They are excellent at specific tasks they have been taught for. They are clever at copying and good at finding matches. AGI, that's totally different. A true AGI system would be held back. It could teach itself, adjust, and solve problems like never faced before, just like a human. It would have common sense, transfer knowledge, and understand the world around it. Some experts say it's coming soon or might be 5 to 10 years away. Think about it. You want a meal from an apple. Google gives you recipe link. ChatGPT writes recipe in the style of Bill Gates. But AGI, it knows your likes. It orders the ingredients, hires a cook, and has dinner ready when you get home. Or imagine asking, how do I turn Yemen into a top 10 global economy? AGI would look at everything ever written on economic development, run fake situation, consider demographics, climate, politics, and create a plan. Then it would start emailing ministers of Yemen with a reform plan. AGI doesn't just give you answers, it figures them out like a human strategist. One who never sleeps, eats, or scrolls reels, and then it gets it done. The best possible situation, AGI helps us solve humanity's greatest difficulties, bringing in a new golden age. The worst, well, some worry AGI might logically decide humans are not efficient. Experts say AGI is coming and it's coming fast. While energy needs and human concept like understanding space are still problems, ignoring AGI as a science fiction is a mistake. Society is simply not prepared for a technology that will redefine intelligence itself, the rules of power, and with it, our understanding of what it means to be human. Humanity's main quality isn't just creating knowledge, it's adding to it, building tools that help create more of it. With AI, we have invented a technology that could go beyond the limits of our biological brains, and the result could be extraordinary. As early as next year, we could see AI systems smarter than Nobel Prize winners across most fields, from biology, programming, physics, engineering. Imagine an AI with full access to virtual tools, text, videos, audio, mouse, and keyboard control, the entire internet. It could design products, run experiments, even give tasks to special version to itself endlessly. Tasks that once took weeks, done on its own by an AI that's smarter than your best employee. The AI systems foundation are getting stronger, the models are improving, and the tensions between countries are getting stronger. This is the state of AI in 2025, what some are calling artificial general chaos. The game is about to change a lot. So how will you respond? Perhaps the answer lies in how we look at things. A great deal of new ideas is about combining things. More than half of Nobel discoveries come from scientists with different study backgrounds. AI, especially advanced LLMs, can help us break down research walls, find similarities across different areas, and create knowledge in ways we have never imagined. The big change from AI as a tool that humans use to access knowledge to AI as an independent knowledge creator will be huge. This needs never before seen teamwork, philosophers, researchers, builders, leaders, policymakers, educators, all of us stepping out of our own areas. This is our chance at a golden age. Let's take it right away, and most important, let's take it for good. Thank you for watching. Take care.